They are Bry's Hurricane 650, or like a Craig Better kit, a one-off. T120R motor. And what year is it, Bryce? 74?
72.
72, yeah, of course. It'd be a 750 of ours, wouldn't it? Fin rocket, fin points cover thing as well.
Yeah.
Quite unusual, the drilled hubs as well. Never seen that before. But the colour, absolutely stunning. And he's made his own little dash thing here. Very cool with the switches on. Twin Leland 2. Yeah, I forgot all the mud guards are all rubber mounted, aren't they? And big grommets to stop the vibration, aren't they? Very cool bike, very, very cool. You can see here the exhaust, absolutely stunning. Which he's made. No, I don't know.
Oh, you've made all this? I made all this.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, the bracket as well.
Bracket, everything.
Wow.
So
that's like a big U shape, isn't it?
Yeah.
If you saw his new bike, it actually looks like an old original Triumph. It's even got a kicker on it. And people think with the black and silver number plate, it is actually the original Triumph, don't they, Brian?
Yeah.
Monza Cat. This apparently is off a Hurricane, and he's done the matching things at the back as well. Are they on the shocks then, Brian?
Yeah, they all.
Yeah, shock nuts. Wow. Joey's mate's done an amazing paint job. This is all hand done. There's no vinyl on this. This is actually hand painted. Beautiful colour as well, absolutely stunning. Just got a bit of a problem with the smoke was caused by the oil. Too much oil is getting into the heads basically through the rockers, so it's flooding the heads with oil, which is why the compression is very good. You can see when you're trying to start it, it's a real high comp engine, so obviously the rings aren't knackered at all. I just put the seat back on, which is all leather as well. This is actually embroidered. It's a leather seat, even though it looks like the old vinyl that they used to use or whatever they stuck on them. But the old Lucas tail light and the indicators all original. I do like the exhaust though, and that's very cool. That's all his own design. So it's designed, the Triumph Hurricane obviously had 3 cylinders, so it had 3 exhausts, but this is pretty cool, it's got 2. So it's got 2 into 1 Siamese going into that. You've got the old ticklers on the carbs, no choke, like on mine. And original footrest, everything. Totally a one-off bike. This is what things have at the NEC, isn't it?
Yeah.
People will all flock around this.
Yeah. I mean, I really set the clutch up. You feel that clutch, mate?
They'd all be stiff as oats, didn't they? Quite still a man's clutch, isn't it? Yeah. Wow, yeah. I forgot how strong these things are. Yeah, wow. These are good, aren't they? You can't miss them with a gloved hand, can you? Right. The modern switches are crap, aren't they, really?
Yeah.
So there you go. Total one-off, beautiful XR65 or X65 he calls it. It's modified bodywork. It was all handmade by his mate, Joby. Thank you.